One of the way by which you can enhance the user experience is by using optimistic UI updates. In my application, whenever a user signs up, let's just sign up, use a different email, use the password. Okay, we have this default notification, right? Whenever a user signs up, it gets a message that a default workspace has been created by your name. So when I click this, the notification will be red and I will be making an API call and it will be updated. But notice how this works. I click, the notification change is instantaneous. This is optimistic UI update. It doesn't wait for your API call to finish to update in the database and then fetch back the new data. I have two states here. This is the original state using just the simple use state. The default value is 0, and I am using this use optimistic hook here. Use optimistic hook takes in a default value as well. This is the single source of truth, and also takes in a reducer function. This is basically setting the new state. This is my update notification function where we optimistically set our state. And make sure to always wrap your state updating function inside a start transition. This basically tells React that this is a low level thing. You can just do it in the background. So this is where my state is set to 0 and it immediately reflects in my UI. My fetch call is fired and then the actual state is updated. But the benefit of using use optimistic hook here is that we do not have to write custom rollback. It automatically will roll back to the default value that we had already set. The default value is this notification count state. Also, if you are using this in a form action, you do not need to use start transition here because we are using it outside of a form action. We needed to use this in a start transition.